Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Akshita. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. It would mean the absolute world to me. So, in today's video, I have got a DIY cleanup for you guys. Honestly, we all are so bored in these days, but this is the best time when we can take care of our skin really well. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
So we will start by cleaning our face. For the cleanser, we're just gonna need a tomato. What you have to do is just cut it into slices and just rub it all over your face. It really helps in removing tanning. So whenever you have a tan face, all you need to do is just take a tomato and rub it all over your face. Now we are going to exfoliate our face, and for that we will be making a DIY scrub. For that you need to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. To that you need to add 1 tablespoon of coffee and 1 tablespoon of honey, and just give it a mix and scrub it all over your face. Make sure you are gentle. You don't have to go too harsh as it is your face. Now we're going to moisturize our face. For this DIY moisturizer, you need 3 tablespoons of milk. To that you need to add about 2 spoons of cornstarch, that is corn flour. You can even use rice flour if you don't have corn flour at home. And to that you need to add few drops of vitamin E oil. Now you just need to take it and apply it all over your face. Yeah, it definitely feels a little thick, but don't worry, that is how it is supposed to be. Here I'm using a brush as it was little difficult to apply it using hands. So apply it all over your face and start massaging. You need to massage it really well. You can see here I'm using knuckles of my fingers to massage it, but do it gently. You need to massage it until it just disappears. As you can see, it has started to disappear now. Now we are going to tighten our face, and for that you need 2 spoons of besan. To that you need to add 2 spoons of 1/4 spoon of haldi and half a lemon. That's it. Just give it a mix. That is how it is supposed to be like. And apply a thick paste all over your face. Make sure you apply a thick layer, and you need to wait until it dries. It takes around 10 minutes to dry completely. Now after it is dried, you need to wet your hands and start massaging on your face. It really helps in tightening your face. Just massage. Now we're going to make a glow pack. This is the easiest of all, and it works like wonders. For this, all you need is some cocoa powder and water. That's it. Just take 2 spoons of cocoa powder, and to that add about 2 to 3 spoons of water and give it a mix. This is how the consistency should look like. Honestly, it feels so delicious that I feel like eating it. Just kidding. Now while it is drying, what I like to do is take a brush and start scrubbing my lips. Since we have already applied a scrub before, so it will really help in removing the dead skin cells. If you have chapped lips, this really helps. Now lastly, we're going to use a toner, and for that you just need green tea bags. That's it. What you have to do is, once you have used your green tea bags, just keep it in the refrigerator overnight. Just freeze it and use it all over your face. Now I'm patting all over my face so that the toner penetrates into my skin. You can definitely see a lot of difference. My skin feels a lot more brighter and smoother.
So that was it for today's video. You're going to definitely try it out and you will definitely see results, as you can see on my face. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see more of such videos, and I would love to do the same for you guys. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.